our world is changing. More and more people live in big cities. The figure will be 75% in 2050. Our living space is becoming increasingly scarce and ever more valuable. Making optimum use of space is becoming ever more important because less space demands smart solutions. Smart solutions for young people, for older people, for all people, and in all homes. That's why Vauth-Sagel develops high-end modular solutions. Modular solutions that meet the needs of everyone. And we're starting at the center of the kitchen, with the Cornerstone Maxx. We can accommodate you in terms of maximum comfort. The contents can be pulled out in front of the cabinet, with an intelligent kinematics that helps to store energy in both directions. We can accommodate you in terms of maximum functionality, with hidden fixings that make the design appear to float, and a load capacity of up to 25 kilos per shelf, plus large shelves for maximum load. We can accommodate you in terms of maximum ease of assembly. The system consists of just 3 individual parts, with just one standpipe as a fixing axis, and the option to easily adjust height even after installation. We can accommodate you with Cornerstone Maxx, the maximum in innovation. Vauth-Sagel.